Oh my gosh. Everything is so low, dude. Oh, dude. I just kind of forgot. Leaves.
Oh, it is that kind of leaf. The leaves, man. I hate
Holy shit. 2 nice little smallies right there just followed it up. That sucks though with the top water bait right now.
What are you throwing right now, Drew?
My normal.
Why are you not throwing?
Huh?
Why are you not throwing?
Oh,
It's going over a throw. It's also shallow, dude.
Not right in front of Drew. That'd be good stuff.
I'll get out of his way before he can.
terrible in terms of the leaves. That's the only thing that's gonna suck today. Oh, look at that. Already. Let's go. Oh, no! No! Doesn't count. No. Dude, that was like immediately as soon as it hit the water, too. That was weird. Oh, another one.
Hey, I'm fucking quiet, it is. What?
That one's a decent one. Oh, yeah.
After I've been looking at the Facebook, I'm like, dude, you know what? The Facebook post on like Indiana River Chatter, dude.
Because the big fish we throw are small.
You're deep compared to them.
Nice little smallies. Number 2. You get that one. Dang.
I just thought about it.
I got my first. Oh, that's a rock, too. Nice.
Fancy mine.
You already got one? Nice. Rock bass? Nice. Doubled up with Jack. You tying on, Austin?
Yeah.
Oh, you got on the old rooster?